Hi guys, let me show you how to trim videos on Windows 10 today. Firstly, ask Photos app on our Windows 10 for help. You can type Photos to search and open it. Then find and click Video Editor. Press New Video Project. Now name your video as you want. You can add a target video from this PC. Simply drag the video from Project Library to the storyboard.
Nice.
Next, we can hit Trim this video clip button. Slide to choose both start and end of time.
That birds explode.
Big deal.
I know that when you sign your name.
Adjust and click Done. Then you can finish your video by confirming the video quality. It's handy to use a hardware-accelerated encoding. Click on Export to choose the location and save it.
You move fast.
It's not me doing the moving.
Alternatively, let's use Joyoshare Video Cutter to losslessly trim videos. Run program, click Open button or directly drag to add the video. Play and set segment start time and end time easily. Or you can add more segments. Simply slide the yellow handles to select a video clip. You can accurately set the duration to millisecond and merge segments if you need. Now click Format and choose High Speed Mode if you'd like to keep lossless quality. Or Encoding Mode to customize and edit videos. Here the edit option can trim video.
Pied Piper. How was your commute?
Adjust to rotate crop and change aspect ratio.
Bounty hunter? What's he gonna do? Flute those ogres a lullaby?
Add video effect.
Okay, got it! Oh, make it stop!
Customize watermark in either text or image.
Looks like it's time to pay the piper.
Where's Venus' signal? What's she waiting for? He's gonna get away. No, he's not.
Embed subtitle. Or apply audio effect. Now start to save and export your videos. You can check it locally.
Pied Piper. How was your commute? Oh, God.
You call this guy a bounty? Oh! Okay, got it! Oh, make it stop!
That's easy, right? Thanks for watching.